Chemistry First Year. Most Important Definitions, Chapter Number 01, Basic Concepts. Relative atomic mass. The mass of an atom of an element as compared to the mass of an atom of carbon taken as 12, lightest isotope of carbon is called relative atomic mass. Empirical formula. The simplest whole number ratio of atoms of different elements in a compound is called empirical formula. For example, empirical formula of glucose is CH2O and that for benzene is CH. Empirical formula of oxalic acid is CHO2. Molecular formula. It indicates the actual number of atoms of different elements in a molecule. For example, molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6 and for benzene, molecular formula is C6H6. Molecular formula of oxalic acid, H2C2O4. Mole. Atomic mass of an element expressed in grams is called gram atom or mole. For example, 0.3 grams NO equals 1 mole. 12 GC equals 1 mole. Molar mass of a compound expressed in grams is called gram molecular or mole. For example, 40 for G of CO2 equals 1 mole, 18 G of H2O equals 1 mole. Formula mass of ionic compound expressed in grams is called formula mass or mole. For example, 58.5 grams of NaCl equals 1 mole, 70 for 0.5 G of KCl equals 1 mole. Avogadro's number. The number of atoms, molecules, ions in 1 mole of a substance. 1 gram atom, 1 gram molecule, 1 gram ion is equal to 6.0*10. It is constant and is denoted by No. For example, 1 mole of No contains 6.0*10 atoms. 1 mole of CO2 contains 6.0*10 squared cubed molecules. Molar volume. The volume occupied by 1 mole of an ideal gas at standard temperature and pressure STPI 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atm is called molar volume. For example, 2 grams of H2 equals 1 mole of H2 equals 20.1 for German marks cubed. 16 grams of CH4 equals 1 mole of CH4 equals 20.1 for dm. Stoichiometry. The study of the quantitative relationship between the reactants and the products in a balanced chemical equation. Stoichiometric calculations are based on 2 laws of chemical combinations, i.e. point 1, law of conservation of mass, point 2, law of definite proportions. Limiting reactant. The reactant which is completely consumed during a chemical reaction is called limiting reactant. For example, in the burning of wood or petrol is limiting reactant. Percent yield equals actual yield theoretical yield times 100.